was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. So let's just go back to the good old nothing on the screen thing. Because that was probably the worst thing that I've ever done. I've never managed to mess something that easy up. Actually, I probably have. Okay, so this... yeah, I know that sleep for 1 means 1 millisecond. The point was that I wanted it to loop for 12,000 milliseconds and then be able to, you know, like backwards calculate the seconds of that and then, you know, display how many seconds you were going to be resting for. But well, yeah. Okay, here we go. So that looks good. That worked. But we need it to, as soon as it's done, to do some actual healing. So we'll say, should we say like every hour would heal 15 points? Should be like that. I think that would be fair. Every hour would be 15 points. So yeah. Okay, so resting time. Actually, you know what? We'll go char HP current is equal to resting time divided by 1000. But then also it'll be like shit, that's not, god damn it. Char HP current plus resting time divided by 1000. So whatever you put in there. Oh, wait a minute. We did add up by 3. I don't know why. Oh, let me just move my chip. Oh, it's stuck. God damn it. I think I just managed to do something magical here. Managed to like put a... Okay, let's just fix that. Because that I cannot stand listening to any longer. God damn it. Managed to put like... Is it in there? Like what? It's just happened. Why you... Computer, why you do this? Okay, let's see if we can unwiggle it by wiggling it. Hey! Unwiggled! It's back in. Okay, let's unwiggle it. Come on. Like, I know you can do this. Computer, I trust you. Oh shit, whatever. Okay, I don't really care that much. So yeah. But then... so we'll have to check. So if char HP current is greater than char HP full, we'll have to do some shit about that, because we can't have that. So if it is more than, so we will have to say char HP current equals char HP current, no, charge HP full minus char HP current. No. Wait, what? Shouldn't I just set it to the max? Right, should that not be the... There's a fucking wire in one of my fans in my computer. Like one wire in one of the fucking fans. God damn it. Nothing but problems this computer is. So if your current HP is bigger than your full HP, will literally just set it to the full. But maybe that shouldn't be there, so I'm going to remove it, and we're going to set it up here. So in any case, justice will be had. Justice will be had. Okay, so like that. So whenever it re-renders the GUI, you'll figure out if the HP's greater than. So, but we didn't actually add any, did we? Yeah, we did. So now resting time for 3 hours would be 12, so it adds 12 HP. That's not what we wanted. We want it to... Computer, please. What have you just linked me? Is this pawns? Is this the pawns? Yeah. Well. Yeah, I kind of figured. Well, thank you for that. Kind of skipped past it anyway. I might take a look at it or redo this another time if I feel like it. But thank you for that. That was very nice actually to look at. For once, looking at code that was nice to look at. So the okay, let me check this. What was I even doing? Yeah. So if we after dividing it by 1000, we then divide it by 3 and can add like another parenthesis and then times 15. So if you rest for, okay, let's check it out. So if you rest for 3 hours, it will, you know, go back and say, okay, you rested for 3 hours. That's what it'll find in the parentheses, and then it'll go, okay, so 3 by 15, that's like 45, and then it'll add that to your HP. And then when it re-renders the scene, it'll figure out if your HP is higher than your max HP. So rest for how long? For. Okay, let me check out what you're saying while. Oh, nice! The little prompt to write. Oh, I love that actually. That's great. So it added 70, which is right. It's good. That's right. Is it? Fuck you, fan. Like, fuck you. Yeah, it is. It's right. Okay. I think so. Oh no. I don't know what I'm on about actually. So let's rest for 4 hours again. And this time my HP should be greater than my max HP. Some fan in there really does have a problem. You what? You fucking what, mate? Maybe I should fix that actually. It's really annoying now. It wasn't annoying before, but like now it actually is kind of annoying. Problem is I don't know what fan. I should probably just delete system 32, shouldn't I? I've heard that. Yeah, okay, reset. That's good. Come on. Where is problem? I don't. Wow. Okay, that's. It's rare. Well, I could make a method. Yeah, probably. I just have no fucking clue how. I would have to read up on that. And to be quite honest, I don't know. Self-taught, and I. Fuck off! Come on. Sorry. Seriously. Okay, well, it's time to fix that. I literally cannot stand that, and probably you can hear it as well, I would figure. Okay, so we're gonna have... Should I just delete system 32 then? I think I should. I just take system 32 and just wreck it. Okay, let's see. Not that fan. Not that fan. Probably not that fan because that's off. Probably not that fan. I actually have no clue, because no fan is interrupted in any way. Fuck you, fan. Like what? Like come on, mate. Okay, whatever. Put it on. Put it on. God damn it. Okay, I see your comments. I'm gonna get it to you in like a minute. Okay, there you go. Oh, should I put it in the microwave? A function returns a value, whereas a method doesn't. Oh. Ruby. You know what, computer? Like, you're going in the microwave. Like, I'm taking every single component and putting it in the microwave, like Chad said. It's probably the best idea. Best idea I've heard all day. God bless you, man. God bless you. Okay, so it is going. It's coming along quite nicely. What else? So now we can check. We should probably have like a character status. That is that can be like just like a moral thing. Yeah, not morale, but like spirit kind of thing. Like, how are you feeling? You're feeling fantastic. So we have like a char status. Let's call it that. Like, what is that sound? I've never heard that before. Okay. It's just like, oh my god, favorite comment of the year. Sharp programming, you really don't know how to do methods or functions. I am gonna say yes, I kind of know how to do it, and to be quite honest, no. I don't. You know, I took a course that was like a year long, but it wasn't, no, it's not a year long, what am I fucking saying? It was a few weeks actually. It was 6 weeks and then 3 weeks, I think, of just programming over the course of a year. And that's where I learned it, and then I'm self-taught, and we never even got to cover, you know, the functions or methods. We didn't have time for that, so I never learned, and it seemed very complicated. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I was feeling way too good. So no, actually no, I do not know how to do it. I would like to though. It seems like it would be smart. Okay, so let's say if it is status, actually in all caps, status, or like current command, literally some fan is like having a blast. It's like, yeah, freedom, I can do whatever the fuck I want, ain't nobody got time for me. So how am I doing? I don't know what else people would write to see the status. Maybe there'd be like, I don't know, what would, well, thank you very much for sending me to brush up on functions and methods. I'm sorry to let you down. Okay, here we go. So if that's the case, it will... Well, I kind of liked how this looked, actually. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it in there. It's not going to say resting though. It will just insert whatever is in that character status thing. So for example, if like if there was a trap on one of the levels and the player fell down it, maybe it would change the status to you have a broken leg. Yeah, I realize what they are, classes and functions and methods. I never got around to learning them, and therefore I just like having it so I can don't have to check through all my methods and all that to find whatever whatever has just caused an issue. I don't know, I'm weird. But in the middle of the screen it will just write that, and then it would again, like, where is it? Where to prompt you to go back. See, I like that. I really like that. It's a design choice of mine. Okay, so no wait, actually we should put it in there. And then if the player's like, how am I doing? It'll be like, you're doing nothing, because there's nothing in there. And then if it's like status and then nothing, bam. Nice. Okay. Oh my god, things are really taking off. Yeah, well. Well, I to Splint, like I used to, if I was at one point I had like a project at that course I was taking, and my project was like making a Space Invaders game. It didn't turn out working because things couldn't literally move by itself. It had to be prompted to move, which was a nightmare. But I had a menu like that where you'd use the arrows up and down to navigate through the menu, and there was like 5 options, and every time you'd go down a step to another one, it would move out a bit, just one step out, and then it'd go back when you go down to the other one. It looked really cool, and I was way proud of that, so I get you on that one. Making a menu sometimes can be like really satisfying. Okay, should we? I think we should. Should we make some a character creation? Because that can always be fun. And then I would like to hear what you would like in there. If you could put it in the chat, what would you like to be in the character creation menu? Because that's going to be the start of the game, and it's always fun. Okay, hit it. Like seriously, what's your problem, fan? What is it? Like, you got something in your throat? Yeah. Come pissing you? You're gonna go in the microwave? Yeah. Gonna have a. You know what? I think I know what it is actually. Let me just finger my computer for a moment. Okay, God, I can't finger it that way. Okay. Oh. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. No it. Okay, there's only one other fan and I literally cannot reach it. Well, that is unfortunate. Okay, give me a moment. I will literally just unplug it. Literally unplugging it. No, I'm not. Can't reach it. Can't reach shit. Oh, God. Okay, well, this is bad. I should have never computed. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to ever computer. Nice. Yeah. Things when you program this sort of thing can be like really satisfying when you do them right. Okay, well, to my own here. Let's see. I wanted. Let's see. Where did I put it? I had it somewhere. There you go. So this. I actually liked a lot. So I'm going to use it for the character creation as well, this template for the design of it. So let's say what should the first thing be? It should probably be what is your name? And it will like prompt you to, so current command would be console read line, and it will literally just, it shouldn't convert to anything. It should literally just, what am I doing? Shouldn't be that. It should be like the char name, character name. I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, great. I mean, it might as well be empty. Like, there's no reason to check it for anything. It doesn't matter. So we could have some preset classes if that was an interest. But that depends on the game. So I don't know if it's gonna be you know, like that. So maybe we should just leave this empty for now, and it will be like, hello, what is your name? It looks kind of mysterious in that way, doesn't it? It's kind of like when you press enter, like the Matrix will just start appearing before your eyes. Morpheus will be like looking all badass with his glasses on. It'd be great. Yeah, like I was thinking if I would want to check it for empty or anything, but that really doesn't matter. Your name could be 123. I'd give 0 shits. Like, I couldn't care less. I remember, actually, I was just thinking, like, it's really easy to make characters or whatever in this game. Like, say the character's name, you just plop it in. But I remember as a child when playing games, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be named Sebastian. I was like, but why does no one in the game ever say my name? It's only written, and then they kind of skip that. I was like, why can't they say my fucking name? I just entered it. The innocence is legit. But we should do like that, because then it's like, what is your name, and then you write it like right here. It's like Sebastian. Great. And Sebastian's gonna rest for how long? 20 fucking million years. No. Okay, so yeah, that looks fucking amazing. I love that. Yeah. Should we could make like a super badass fucking menu with like the pre-made classes. They could look like, you know, you'd have a list of pre-made classes like warrior, paladin, fucking mage, priest, whatever you want to play. Those are just the defaults, I think. I don't want to go all D&D on this, mostly because I don't know enough to provide something that any D&D player would be satisfied with. I'd be like, this is not legit enough, and I totally get that. So maybe just some loose names that aren't really based on like what the classes would actually be in D&D, World of Warcraft, fucking whatever you play MMO. I think we could do that. And yeah, I don't know, it's weird. On the one, wait, actually, can we maybe, yeah, okay, let's do that, because I have an idea. So I am going to put a menu. Okay, so we'll put the menu. We'll put the menu in the center of the screen, like with the rest. So it'll be like, choose a class, and it'll be like that. So, and then it will list some. So it will be like console, wow, console dot write. Name me some classes. Oh yeah, like thug instead of thief. Yeah, that could be a thing. Yeah, I love playing thief though. Always play thief. So we could have that. Like, it depends on where it's set. If it was like a Fallout game, like a post-apocalypse game, sure, it would be thug. That would be cool. But if it's like medieval fantasy, it'd be like thief or rogue or outlaw. Outlaw. That's it. Outlaw. That way we avoid most problems that we could run into with like hardcore players of these games. Not that it's going to be much. I don't know. We'll put it on Steam Greenlight and try to get it greenlit with a badass trailer and asset flips. Am I right? Am I right? And then we could have one just called Strongman Jeff. Oh, that'd be great. So there's an outlaw. There would be a caster. That's good. Okay. An outlaw, caster. Could have like PC bro. PC bro. What do you play? Oh, PC bro. Yeah, what else? Dank acid drip, acid flips. Oh shit, you're right. That would be great. How can we integrate? We should make. This is our marketing strategy meeting. We're like, yeah, how can we do great acid flips? Like, how do we do great dank acid flips? Shit, that would be great. And then we would integrate it into our marketing that we are acid flip focused. Fuck, that would be amazing. I'd love it. So an outlaw, a caster, a cheeky sneaky one. No, what would you call like the two-handed sword user? Like a heavy hand or like a strong jaw? Any one of you watch like Critical Role? Fucking love that show. It's great. Just thinking of it by, you know, strong jaw. It's like grog. Well, welcome back. We're trying to figure out city names for city classes. Right now we have an outlaw class. We have a caster class. Klaus? Oh shit, can we have like Santa Claus? And then we have a caster class. We need like a word, the tank. Oh, Guardian, yeah, that's cool. Guardian. Okay, that's cool. What else do you need? Like, you have the Thievy class, the sneaky one. You have the Mage class, the caster, very powerful summoning one. Caster Klaus. Oh yeah, I fucking love it. Maybe that should just be a thing. Like, my first character and my permanent character in this would just be Klaus the caster. Fucking love that. Yeah, Klaus the caster. Okay, should we have any more than that? I mean, obviously, Klaus the caster, but like any other classes. So we have the Guardian, who's going to be. We need. So like, there's the big sworded guy, but we kind of need the defensive one. Maybe we should have like a paladin, but not call it paladin. Oh shit, what would that be? Can someone figure out a good name for that? Like a paladin, but not paladin. It's just right instead of right line. Yeah, I'm not sure. I was gonna figure out just now. Actually, Klaus. Shit. I was gonna be a caster though. Shit. Well, there you go. That's what I get. That is what I get for being a cheeky son of a bitch. Sorry, Mom. Okay. Well.